Wala po. Sasalita lang ako.
May award?
Tatanggap lang ako. For me. Dalawa.
Okay, nakakaba. Hindi ako sanay tumayo na mag-isa lang ako. Pero magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Beanie Joanna, leader of Beanie. And on behalf of my sisters, Aya, Colette, Gwen, Maloy, Mika, Sheena, and Stacy, we are deeply honored po to receive these awards. Maraming salamat po. Nung nalaman po namin natatanggap kami ng award, nasa gitna po kami ng world tour. Sobrang nakakawala ng pagod and mas ginanahan po kami. And every time we perform, we do it for our blooms, we do it for the people who believe in us. And itong award na to, itong mga awards na to, award to para po sa lahat ng taong naniniwala sa amin, our management, ABS-CBN. Sorry, kinakabahan ako. Ano ba yan? Woo! To our ABS-CBN management, Star Magic, Star Music, our music label. And to our Blooms, this is also your win. Maraming salamat. And to Guillermo Box Office Entertainment Awards, maraming salamat po for recognizing our hard work. Parang sinabi po ng award na to sa amin na keep going, Beanie, you're doing great. And that means the world to us po kasi parang, especially now that it feels like so many people are trying to pull us down. Ano nyo yung parang ang daming nakatingin sa amin at talagang tinatry kaming sirain. And ang hirap, but at the same time, it pushes us more to stay strong and prove them wrong. This is just the beginning and we'll keep going, we'll keep growing. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay ang musikang Pilipino. Thank you!
Okay ba tayo lahat?
Joke pa picture, Joe.
Last na po.
Diretso na po. Meron pa po siya.
Diretso na, sorry po, sorry.
Sorry po.
To present the award for the Celebrity Clear and Glowing Skin of the Night, here's the Deputy General Manager of Future Glow, Caitlin Gregorio.
Good evening, everyone. Our choice for Oxycure Male Clear and Glowing Skin of the Night goes to Mr. Alden Richards.
Marami talaga dyan.
Dito yung baba. Alis na lahat po. Interview mo sila.
We now move on to another excellent performance in a movie that depicted a very timely social and political concern. The movie Balota became a venue for this actress to prove that she is
Ano, May?
Dito po, dito po. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Kasi sweet girl pa dyan, kita.
Sorry, dahil nakikita mo ako natatanong.
Ate Hans!
Pag nakikita nila ako, di ako natatanong.
Excuse lang po, padaan. Dito, dyan, ano. Congrats.
Ay, Bini. Punta na doon. Ay, Bini.
Dito na sa backdrop.
Nandito sa backdrop yan.
Teka lang, ano niyo po pa kanya?
Sige po.
Kuya, hindi namin ma-interview kuya sila nila.
George, titik.
Oo. Picture mo na daw.
Ay, dyan na lang sa third floor. Salamat naman.
Tayo na sila pili para tumutulong. Catherine Bernardo. Ah, sino?
Punta naman niya kay Nelson.
Si Lolong ba yan?
Si Ibrahim.
Kasi si Bianca kapat pala.
Ano ba nito? Anong category siya? Siguro best in best in parts in with ano. Best in parts in with ano.
Excuse me, boss. Mr. B. Ay, direct. May possible comeback pa ba direct na movie? Kay, may movie kang pa nagagawin kila Daniel Padilla soon. Wala
Yolo muna.
Yolo muna.
Hello po. Salamat po. Ito kasama ko. Jelmy tayo na.
Congratulations.
Salamat po. Thank you po.
Picture ko.